Hi guys, today I want to show you how I'm shaving my head and my beard, and also what type of blade Gillette I'm using, and the shaving gel, aftershave balm, and everything else. So yeah, I hope you are gonna learn something from this, and in case you also are shaving your head and your beard, it's a good way to not leave any hair nowhere behind in the spots where you cannot see them. So first I'm gonna rinse my head with some lukewarm water. Just like that. And then I want to replace this because it's a bit used for a while. So I'm just gonna press here. It's a Pro Glide from Gillette, and here are the ones with my replacement kit, yeah. And also it has a button here and it vibrates. I don't know exactly what does that vibration doing and what difference does it make, but let's hope that it does something. So here's the gel. I'm putting it on my head and trying to cover every spot. All right. And I like to start with my beard. And I'm always checking it again and again with the foam, with the gel that I have, and just feeling those spots where I can still feel that there is beard there. And I'm usually cutting it in the opposite way that the beard is growing. So if the beard is growing in this direction, I'm coming with the blade from this side. can see, this is pretty simple. And if you're thinking long term, just imagine how much money you can also save by not going to the barber shop where you most probably would pay a lot. And I'm not saying that that's not a good thing, but if you want to save more money, then you can definitely save a lot. And now I'm shaving my head. And again, the same rule, if I can call it like that, applies, where I'm cutting in the opposite direction. And every once in a while, yeah, just check again. And as you're doing these rotative moves, you are going to feel where you still have some hair that you haven't shaved yet. By the way, I'm also going to put in the description a link to all of these products that I'm using. So in case you want to buy one for yourself, then definitely you can do that. And in total, I guess that it was approximately 7, maximum 8 minutes. In case you have some small cuts, no worries. You need to be a man and not cry about small things. I'm just kidding. You can cry if you want. And it's done. You just rinse. Grab a towel And then the aftershave balm, also from Nivea. And just massage it. Maybe I put a bit too much. I wanted to impress you. But you can use the rest to put on the rest of your body as well. And then you're fresh and ready to go. In case it's too much, you can just wipe up the excess. That was it, guys. Take care, God bless, good luck. I hope this one helped. Take care.